Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your community details in Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you had created a Microsoft Teams community and you wish to change some details about it, such as the title or even the theme, logo and more, you can do it straight away. To do this, just log into a Microsoft Teams account and then head to Communities. From here, you should see a list of all the communities that you have or you are in, and then go to more options here. To edit your community, now you should see we have an option to edit community here. By tapping on this, you can edit the name of the community. Maybe if you want to change the theme to sports community, you can make the changes. You can also change the description like that. And once you are done, you can save it. You can further upload a community avatar, that is logo, that you'll wish to use. Now that I'm done with the changes, just click on save to make changes and save the current changes on your community. So that's how you can edit or make changes on your Microsoft Teams community. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.